Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking webcam. It is done by a company called Tenvis and it is modeled TW888. I have to mention that this is 1080p, really nice webcam. This will really work for your schooling, or if you want to get access with your elders or computer, you want to hook it up for them so that way you can communicate in these pandemic times. This will do the job for you perfectly. And again, the price is proper, so you don't have to spend arm and a leg to purchase a big webcam. So this will do the work for you. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly every time with a little more detail. Alright, you can see that the box is really nicely designed. Going around doesn't have much markings, but once we open the top and we take all of the components out, here are all the components that are part of this box. In here is the quick start guide. Now, this will show you a few little steps, starting from features for the actual webcam and also setup on how you're going to be able to hook it up to your monitor, which we will show, and also when you are going to connect it to your computer. Now going on the other side of it, it shows you technical information, and if you need help, how you can contact them via email or phone number. Yes, they have a phone number. It also comes with this little tripod. Now this looks really cool and sturdy when you're trying to put it on a table, but I would really suggest if you want to get another tripod would be better, or you can even use your own camera tripod to hook up your camera on it, will work, except that you can also hook this up to your monitor. Alright, so here is the webcam. You can see there is a little hole. This one is for the mic, and then it says HD 1080p. You have a little Wi-Fi look-alike icon in the bottom, then you have the power, and also it says the actual company name. The lens looks like it is a wide screen lens, which is really cool, like a fish eye basically. And then going around, there's nothing on the top, and then when you go in the bottom part of it is where you will be able to tilt the actual camera so you can make it up or down. That's not the only thing, is you will be able to rotate this, you can see that, to a 360 degrees, which is a really cool thing. Now going to the back part of it, there's nothing here but the actual USB wire, which is a little bit over a meter long. And then the best part is you have a little connector, so you can connect it to your tripod as I'm showing you right now. And also you can bring this out, and this way you will be able to hook this up on top of your monitor as I'm showing you right now. That is really cool. And then you can tilt your camera to go up or down in order for you to get a proper angle when you are trying to use this webcam. The one thing that I noticed is when I was playing with this, that this is 1080p and 30 Hertz, not 60 Hertz. So when you are going to use this for your live content, or you want to use this for your daily usage, I have to mention that if you are a content creator, that 30 to 60 frames makes a huge difference. This is really cool if you want to just use it for your schooling, or you want to just get contact with your elders. This will do the job for you properly. But if you want to make content, this will bring down the quality a little bit lower. And when it gets to an actual color, it also shows up a little bit difference. So yes, there will be a little bit differences. I am sure you're going to really love this. It is just plug and play. There is no software when you're trying to connect to your computer. Doesn't matter if you are going to use this for Skype, or you want to use this for OBS if you want to do live streaming. This will do the job for you. I have to mention that when it goes to dark and also a little bit low light, this will get a little bit grainy, but again, you will get your picture across. I am sure you're going to like it. With the price and with how this is going to be shown to you, I'm sure you're going to like it and purchase one.
So this is a test that we're trying to do to show you exactly how it will pick up the sound. Now remember that it depends on where you're located and how far the camera is from you. Right now I am about 2 feet away, and this is how the sound picks up. using the actual camera sound.
So now this is a test to just show you guys that when we move some of the particles from one side to another, that how blurry it will get or how nice it will look. So you can see my hand is right in front of it, and since I am always capturing everything in this table itself, I have two particles there. With a regular camera you will see that it cuts from right here to about right there, and that's why you don't see anything around it. Now I have a headphones on this side, so there's a headphones right here, so I have some plants that are sitting around. Now this one is from Cobra Kai. I really like it, and that's why I put it there. But this is how you will be able to see. So now when I move my hand, you will see that there is some blurriness. That means this is not in 60 Hertz. This is made for 30 Hertz. So if you want to do some live gaming and you want to put your picture very tiny on the side, as I'm showing you right now, then it will look perfect. Except that this will look a little bit different and offbeat. So this is how it really looks when you are playing with it. Now this is a test that we're trying to do, is to show you exactly how much grain it will bring once you are in a really dark low color, as you can see it right now. So there are a lot of particles that I'm going to zoom in and show you guys that there's a difference between our regular camera, as I'm showing you right now, and also through this. So this is how much of a difference you will see once you play with it. But again, it does do the job for you, and I'm sure you're going to really like this. We're just trying to show you exactly what type of settings we got when we were playing with it. So we are on OBS, and we double click on it to see exactly what type of picture we're going to get is this one right here, and then we use the USB camera, automatically just comes up. Now when we go to the configuration for the video and we bring it up, you can see right now that everything is on default. Now if you have to move it, it will make it a little bit lighter or a little bit darker, but you can see that little flickering that is happening. Is so you can change the hertz from here to 60 also. You see that little flickering just went away. So that's one thing that you can fix. But what we found out is when you go to actual camera control, then you can go to low light and take it off, but you can see that zoom in, zoom out is not something that you can play with. The only thing that you do have a little check mark over here is the low light. You can see that you can control that, but it is not in a way that you should be very happy about. Again, you can put it on this much, but it is not something that you can get a really good quality. So I'm just going to capture this to show you exactly how good this camera will look when you are watching it on the screen. But this is not something really ideal if you want to play video game and you want to put that on the screen while you're doing that. Except that if you want to do your daily day-to-day Zoom for your school, or you want to use it for Skyping, or you want to talk to your elders, this will work perfectly as a regular webcam. Links will be available where you can order it. Except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.